Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to 2019. Hope you guys are having a beautiful time. Can't wait for 2020. I can't wait for 2020. But since today's gonna be a fun day, today we're gonna do a music. We're gonna do a slow music with playing some music. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to play the music. I am going to pause the video, get everything set up. And then I'm going to get ready to upload this after the video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because I will not be talking after this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down in the description below. This is, if you guys want to do 2 videos and get started, the link will be in the description. All you have to do is put your email and password. I'm going to pause this so we can get it started. It's ready. Are you ready? Have a happy new year. And like, comment, and subscribe.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
I said I wasn't going to be talking at the end, but we're going to be doing the thumbnail now, so I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, and I hope you guys have a happy holiday. Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Welcome to the new year, 2019. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.